there's a a huge difference between the two political parties, and how the two political ideology just not just differ, but it's totally different. The thinking, the way we do things, the priorities are totally different.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, run come here, so run come here, so tell everybody this I want to come here. I wonder if this is serious. Only no here said the Labour Party I give it $20,000. Yes, the Jamaica Labour Party I give it $20,000. $20,000. May I ask a question? Why is it that as Andrew under pressure, we are get $20,000? And make you know, I know everybody are going to qualify for it. Students, hit the like button, share this with a family and friend. Listen to the details.
The government's reverse income tax credit initiative is being done at a cost of $11.4 billion. The program was launched on Wednesday at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston. It will see Jamaicans who earn $3 million or less per year receiving a $20,000 cash payment. The qualifying tax year is 2023. Speaking at Wednesday's launch, outgoing Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke says the program was introduced to show appreciation to hard-working Jamaicans.
I'm happy to be participating in the launch of the reverse income tax credit, for which persons who are working and who are contributing to the Jamaican system through deductions from their pay. When you add up NHT deductions, ed tax deductions, you could even say NIS, even though it is, for the person's benefit in the long run. You're talking about up to 9% that's coming out of their pay every single month. And we're saying to those people, Jamaica cannot exist without you. Jamaica needs you. And we want you to know that Jamaica cares about you.
Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke. To qualify for the tax credit, self-employed individuals must have filed their annual return of income, taxes and contributions payable for 2023, and paid the required statutory obligations in full by August 31, 2024. For employed persons under the PAYE system, their employer must have filed the employer's annual return for the calendar year 2023 by August 31, 2024. Additionally, domestic workers must have filed their National Insurance Scheme NIS stamp card for the year 2022, and their names must appear in the NIS database by August 31, 2024. All qualified persons must possess a TRN, valid email address, telephone number, and bank account details or remittance agency information. The application period will run from October 2 to December 2, 2024. This must be submitted online through the TAJ's website. Payouts to successful applicants are expected to be made through remittance agencies and local banks before March 31 next year.
So my viewers and subscribers, you hear everything where the people them say. I want to ask you one question. Does this sound like a vote buying exercise to you? Doesn't this sound like a vote buying exercise to you? Out of the blues, as we hear about a 28 bank account, you want to give the people them $20,000. My viewers and subscribers, I smell a rat. I smell a rat, and let me tell you what I smell. And if you agree with me, type yes, teacher, in the comment. Him knows that the people them not in a him. Him knows same party I lose support. Him know that him support is dwindling, it is draining. Him knows the time come. Him know everybody know about him money dealings. 28 bank account, money a swing left, money a swing right. Him want to sue everybody. Andrew Holness knows that Jamaica people love money. Do remember during Big C in 2020 when Big C come and them give a $10,000. And everybody glad and skin teeth and say, oh yes, Andrew give me money, Andrew give me money, I'm going to vote for him. This is one of those exercises that he's coming with again, and I am telling you, do not make the mistake and go vote for them. Take the money because it's your tax money. Let me repeat it. It's your tax dollar that is giving the money. It's not for them one. Jamaica, I make sure I want you, I want my brothers and sisters them, You can't take the money because of your tax dollar. If you want take it, take it. And if you don't want it, run them way. But my viewers and subscribers, now make the mistake and go vote for them. Now make them butter you up. Look how bad them treat we for the last time. And them not do nothing at all for we. And what I find suspicious, remember, said the economy grew by 0.1% last quarter. And it is expected to grow by 0.2%. That means that the economy now going good. And them really take out money, give people. My viewers and subscribers, I find the timing extremely strange. And my viewers and subscribers, the Prime Minister sue everybody, he want to sue everybody, he want to sue everybody. My viewers and subscribers, can you believe that the Prime Minister want to take the people and go to court? Do you want a Prime Minister who take everybody go to court? My viewers and subscribers, I have a video for you. Watch this here.
I don't think I've seen this before. What we're seeing here is a Prime Minister, a legislator, asking the court to strike out Section 14(5) of the Corruption Prevention Act, which is a section that establishes the offense of illicit enrichment.
Oh my goodness. So
the Prime Minister attempting to strike out illicit enrichment. You can play the other one, please.
first of all, what are some of the reasons given by the lawyers for this judicial review?
I think a better question might be, what are not some of the reasons? Because the lawyers and Mr. Holness have thrown the entire kitchen sink at this application to apply for judicial review. He is alleging, and just to make the point, that judicial review is when you ask the court to exercise its supervisory power over, in this case, the Integrity Commission. So they want the Integrity Commission, they want the Supreme Court to make a number of orders and declarations. Essentially, they want the report struck out, except for the part in which the Director of Corruption Prosecution says that no charges should be laid against Mr. Holness. They want declarations that the Integrity Commission acted outside of its powers, that it acted unlawfully, a whole bunch of declarations. And they're saying this on the basis of the fact that they're saying that the Integrity Commission acted unfairly in relation to its investigation into the statutory declaration. They're saying there was illegality here. They're saying that the Integrity Commission acted ultra vires, means outside of its statutory powers. And they're also alleging breaches of constitutional rights. They're saying the Integrity Commission breached privacy laws, breached the data protection law. They're also very, very interesting. I don't think I've seen this before. What we're seeing here is a Prime Minister, a legislator, asking the court to strike out Section 14(5) of the Corruption Prevention Act, which is a section that establishes the offense of illicit enrichment.
So my viewers and subscribers, I want to ask you one question now. Which part in the world, on planet Earth, does the leader of the country, the elected leader of the country, is trying to take out illicit enrichment out of the constitution, out of the law? Won't you tell me, This man is going through so much heaps and lengths and barriers for try to protect this and protect that. And I'm saying that the more he does that, is the more people are suspect of him. They matter about Isaac the wrong, him own up to him wrong, the system find him guilty, him spend him time, him come back out and him change. If I saw the case, go make the system find you guilty then, and do your time, and come back out, come change. But in the meantime, my viewers and subscribers, if him bring the money come, take the money and vote them out. It is your duty. You can't keep back them people there in here, Them not have no integrity.
Andrew Holness says so far he's not aware of any member of his Jamaica Labour Party administration being investigated for alleged illicit enrichment by the Integrity Commission.
I have asked as far and as wide. I have gotten a response from everyone. But as far as I have been told, no.
Since the tabling of the Integrity Commission report last week, pollster Don Anderson notes that the details may not change the minds of Jamaica Labour Party supporters, but more People's National Party supporters may be driven to vote in the next election.
You may find that die-hard supporters of the Jamaica Labour Party, it might mean much to them in terms of a shift, okay? What might very well happen though, because the optics are very important, is that you may very well find supporters of the People's National Party who were undecided about what they were doing and who were sitting on the fence or kind of apathetic. They may very well come out in greater numbers.
He's of the view that the outcome of the IC report will have an impact on the Prime Minister's future.
Because so far all that has been said are largely allegations and claims about what has taken place. if it gets to the next step and clearly, the Prime Minister's name is cleared without a shadow of a doubt, then again it might, have another effect of pulling back. But a lot depends, therefore, on, I think, the next steps and how far the next steps are allowed to go, because we know that there are attempts to not have it aired much more, as you mentioned, the legal challenges which are being presented right now.
Mr. Anderson further notes that the controversy surrounding the report, among other issues being played out in the public domain in recent weeks, are already showing that Jamaicans are election ready. He says these could lead to a higher voter turnout in the next general election.
More and more people are now accepting that elections are likely to take place before September next year. Of course, it doesn't have to, but they are kind of in a state of readiness. And I think right now what is taking place is not going to depress, actually increase the degree of interest that there is in voting next time. And we hope we're actually in the field this week. And one of the things that we will be looking at is likely the light voter turnout. I anticipate that there will be a higher intention, whether this pans out in the reality is another thing, but that there is a greater interest now in voting than there was in the February election and in the last general election.
So my viewers and subscribers, all me have to tell you, you do not bother make the mistake and vote for this man, Take the $20,000 because of your tax money, your mother tax money, your father tax money, your them tax money. Everybody tax money. And not only because we hear about the 28 bank account and how much charity make them a carry it come. But guess what? Don't make them tie, Take the money, enjoy it, vote them out, and don't make the same mistake again. Time come. Goodbye.